Hello, dear students. You are listening to Mr. Shankra, who was Chief Technical Officer from Tech Infy, and he told us that what are the after effects of this COVID pandemic into the cloud technology. He told us that there are so many job prospects available even after pandemic. Rather, it is going to increase after this COVID, because now the company will start moving towards cloud technology. We require the bigger storing space. We require the different kind of online media. So now I'm going to tell you that what are the different programs we are offering at iNurture into the cloud technology. So my dear students, so at iNurture campuses, so first of all, iNurture is offering approximately 100 different courses into the different technology, whether it is a cloud technology, artificial intelligence is there, information security is there, mobile application is there, blockchain is there. So we are offering the different programs at iNurture campuses. So the PG courses we are offering MTech, which is a 2-year degree program, MCA, which is a 3-year degree program, BTech course we are offering, which is a 4-year degree program, and BCA and BSc, which is a 3-year degree program. So first, before moving ahead, let me introduce to the iNurture. My dear student, iNurture is a edutech solution provider. It revolves around the university-industry partnership. It collaborates with premium Indian and global universities to deliver the new age undergraduate and postgraduate program. So while delivering these programs to the various universities, we are offering industry-aligned curriculum. When I'm saying industry-aligned curriculum, that means whatever the curriculum we are designing, we are like taking the help of the industry personals. While delivering that content, that content is aligned with the certification, global certification with respect to the different industries. The iNurture leverages its strong industrial association to facilitate guest lecture, internship, industrial visit, live project, and placement assistant. It's artificial intelligence. So at iNurture, we are having artificial intelligence based platform where you can assess the employability score of a student that provide necessary interventions through the on-campus career development program and placement cells, strengthening the employability quotient across the entire spectrum of adult learning from college to corporate. Now, you were listening to Mr. Sankar about cloud computing. So my dear student, so cloud computing is basically allows access to the shared allocation of system resources, whether it is storage is there, processing speed is there, security concern is there. So it allows access to the shared location of system resources and higher level services that can readily supplied over the internet with fewer management efforts. The cloud computing services that are allowing company to expand its customer base without having much investment. See, if I need to say expand my company, then in that case I need to purchase so many servers, so many computers. Even there are so many software which I need to purchase. But if I'm going to take the services of cloud computing, then definitely with the minimum cost, whatever I required, I can have it from the cloud computing. Just I am sharing an application from the Netflix. Initially, the Netflix was a DVD provider company. When they thought that they want to expand it, that more than 100 billion CDs they have sent into the market, and they totally revamped their business. Now they have connected to the Google. Now all the videos and the movies now they are serving to the public through the Google Cloud services. At iNurture campuses, we are having a course that is Cloud Technology and Information Security. So why this we have merged to technology over here? See, you know that every company now, every industry is now moving towards cloud technology. Every data, whether it is your YouTube data is concerned or your Facebook data is concerned, every data now we are putting onto the cloud. So simultaneously, when we are moving towards the cloud, that means there is a concern of security as well. So that's why the iNurture coined this course, that is Cloud Technology and Information Security. So in this course, you are going to learn about the fundamental of cloud computing, the data structure, various networks and network security. You will also exposed to the concept of server administration, business management, and through this course, you will be having in-depth knowledge about ethical hacking, cryptography, various virtualization tool, and the cloud scripting tools. And you will gain practical knowledge through industry relevant projects. So we are offering this CTIS course through BTech, which is a 4-year degree program, MCA, BCA, and BSc. So in this cloud technology and information technology, the various job roles you may have, you can be a cloud operation engineer, you can be cloud network engineer, you can be cloud administrator, and the cybersecurity analyst, you can be the penetration tester, you can be the ethical hacker. So similarly, another course which we are offering at iNurture is, that is cloud technology and mobile application. You know that nowadays everything which is developed onto the website, that is also coming in the form of a mobile app. Whether we are going through Android mobile app or we are talking about the iOS, the Apple apps. So it is highly required to learn how to develop the mobile app and how to connect the storage and the processing of that mobile app through the cloud technology. So this we have coined this course, that is called cloud technology and mobile application. So in this course, you will understand the concept of mobile operating system, its architecture, its API to develop various kind of mobile apps. Here you will be trained on the Android and will develop for Android platforms. Here the training on the training of the students will be there on cross platform technology for developing mobile application for the different mobile operating systems, kind of iOS. So in this course, we are also imparting the required knowledge that ensure understanding of the fundamental concept, design and control strategy, application security in web technology. So the various job roles you can have on this cloud technology and mobile application, that you can be a cloud operation engineer, you can be a cloud administrator, you can be application developer, you can be Android developer, you can be a UI engineer, you can be a mobile application developer. So there are various different job roles which are being offered through this cloud technology and mobile applications. So this through this course, this is the entry level the job roles you may have. You can be a cloud operation engineer, you can be a cloud network engineer, and at intermediate level, you can be a senior cloud support engineer, you can be a cloud operation engineer, and at senior level, you can be cloud enterprise architect, you can be cloud infrastructure architect, and in the topmost position, you can be a chief infrastructure officer and chief technological officer. Okay, now see, when we are taking any course, then always one thing comes into our mind, that what is the pay and packages if we are taking this course. So my dear students, if I'm talking about the entry level package or the average salary with respect to this course, is that varies from 3.5 to 4.5 lakh. And if I'm talking about advanced level or senior level, it can be more than 18 lakh plus per year. So my dear students, so we are offering different courses at cloud technology and mobile application. We are offering cloud technology information security. So in your zone, you can connect to our iNurture campus and you can join our course. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you.